Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 3461. Check if digits are equal in string after operations 1. This is easy, and next I will show you what's my thought process and efficient solution. We are given a string s with only digits, so let's say we are given this. And we need to execute this operation until we only have 2 digits. And the operation goes as follows. We need to take adjacent elements, in this case 3 and 9, and add them, so we do 3 plus 9, and we need to do this modulo 10. Here 3 plus 9 is 12, modulo 10 is 2. So we are building a new string, and the first digit in this new string is number 2. Next, we take these adjacent digits and we do the same. 9 plus 0 is 9, modulo 10 is 9. So we add this 9 to the new string. Finally, we are here, and 0 plus 2 is 2, modulo 10 is 2. So we add 2 here. Now this is the new string, and we need to repeat the same process. So we take adjacent elements, and here 2 plus 9 is 11, modulo 10 is 1. So the new string includes a 1. Here 9 plus 2 is 11, modulo 10 is 1. We add another 1. And now we have only 2 digits. And here, if these digits are equal, we return true. If they are different, we return false. In this case, 1 is equal to 1, so we return true. And now the question is, how can we solve this? And for this, down here we have the constraints. We know that we can have up to 100 characters. And what this means is we can use this exact approach. We are doing what the problem requires step by step. First, we iterate the original string from left to right, and we will say this has a size of n. Then we build a new string and we iterate this with a size of n minus 1. Then we repeat the same here, and this has a size of n minus 2, and so on. Okay, so this will require an overall time complexity of big O of n square. And here n can be up to 100, so this is overall 100 square in the worst case. And this is not a very big number. We can handle this number, so this is fine. Now, regarding space complexity, it's big O of n. Why? Well, because at each step we need an array of length n or n minus 1 as a maximum. So this is an overall space complexity of big O of n. So we are doing exactly this same process in code now. So with this in mind, let's go with the solution. We need to repeat the same process while the length of s is greater than 2. We will have an empty array to store the new string, and for I in range from index 1 to length of s, the current digit is string at I minus 1 plus string at I, and this is modulo 10. Now the thing is that this and this are strings, and we need to transform this into integers. So here we can use int, and we do the same here. And now we can add to the new string in string format the current digit. And after this loop ends, we can say s is showing array. Okay, so now we have the new string here, and this will go on and on until we only have 2 characters. And at this point we can return s0 is equal to s1. So if these characters are equal, we return true, otherwise we return false. This is the entire code. Now let's submit this and see if it works. As you can see, this works and it's efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.